Hello, Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers. Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is Balin from The Hobbit, The Unexpected Journey. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. And I will show you the art box first. Here's the front. Pretty cool piece. And other items you can get from Weta on the back of the box. And let's show you inside. And you can see there the base and Balin. And that's what it looks like inside the box there. And let's set it up. And here is the bottom of the base. It has been sculpted by Lindsay Cremett. And here is Balin in all his glory. Way too cool of a statue here. Absolutely love him here. So cool. Show you some close-ups now. Very cool. Like his portrait, like his big white beard, and then his red jacket here. I like the weathering in the jacket on the way down. And you can see his boots have been weathered from his travels. Very cool. And you can see the mace of Balin, which he's holding here, which I like a lot. Very cool. What's that? That must be... I don't know what that is. Seems some kind of, or scabbard, or some kind of scabbard, or something that he has on the back. I like that. That's really cool though. Look at the detail that he has on the back of his jacket though. So cool. That is just awesome. I love that. Again, once to his portrait here again. Absolutely love his portrait. And he is played by Ken Stott. Really good actor. He played Balin really well. I love this statue. So nice. I just absolutely love this mace of Balin though. I really do. That is really cool. Now I'm going to see if I can really try and get this but from United Cutlery. That is really cool. I love all the detail that it has. Like all that is really cool. I like that a lot. And you can see this piece right here. attached to his jacket or under his cloak. Can somebody comment down below and tell me what that is? I think it's some kind of scabbard to maybe to this mace. I'm gonna have to look that up, but overall, I really love this statue. It is so cool and just awesome. I love this. Another great piece, Weta. So awesome. And that is Balin, the dwarf from The Hobbit, The Unexpected Journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of Balin the dwarf. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in the next video. And stay tuned for more videos coming up. I got lots more coming.